Today we're going to work on a site called Moneyville. I've used this several times with third grade and they always seem to enjoy it. You see it here under Tuesday in the green bar, green for money. So when I pull it up, it takes it a second to load, and then this guy is going to talk and he gives you the intro to everything that you can do in Moneyville. I tried to record him, but his voice doesn't pick up well on my speaker, so you're going to watch that so he tells you what to do. Since I want to get on to the next part, I'm going to skip intro, but you'll want to see what he has to say. You are a first-time user. You do not have a username and password yet. So he's talking and telling you how to log in, but you can't do that. You're going to have to click over here on this little green check mark to create your account. You're going to use your username and password just like you log into the computer. So you would put your username there, and when you put in your password, your JCPS, shift, your 2 initials, and the 4 numbers, you have to write it on both lines. And if you don't write it the same, it will not take it. It'll make you do it again. It says choose a fruit. There's 5 different fruits. I don't care which one you pick, but remember which one you pick, so in case we ever play this again, you can get logged in. If I click the check mark and my passwords are not the same, the password is incorrect. Try again. So I have to make sure that I type it exactly the same both times. Now, my username was taken because I've created this before, but yours should not be. If it is, then let me know and we'll figure out a different username for you to use. Once you get logged in, you're going to get to create your person, whether you want a boy or a girl and what they look like, and then you're going to start playing the different games that are available in Moneyville and trying to find that mystery wizard and his coins treasure chest along the way.